In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have private content in Pandadoc until a signature completed. When you send a document for signature, there are times when you want certain details to stay hidden until the recipient has completed the signing step. Pandadoc makes this possible by using conditional content that only appears after a signature field is finished. This is useful for protecting sensitive information and keeping your document clean and controlled. Start by opening the document you want to edit in Pandadoc. Once the document is open, go to the Insert menu. From there, look to the right sidebar, where you can choose Variables or a text field. This area is where you will insert and manage content elements inside your document. Next, take the text you want to keep private and place it inside a conditional content block. Think of this block as a container that can hide or reveal what is inside it, depending on the rule you set. Make sure the entire sensitive section is included in the conditional block, including any related lines or labels, so nothing accidentally shows before the signature is complete. Now you will connect that conditional block to a signature event. Click Conditions, then choose Add Rule. In the Rule options, select the Signature field. This tells Pandadoc that the visibility of your content depends on whether a specific signature has been completed. After selecting the Signature field, set the rule to Show if completed. This is the key setting that keeps the content hidden at first and then reveals it only after the signing action is finished. Then select your signer. Be sure you choose the correct person, especially if your document has multiple signers, because the content will only appear when the signer you select has completed their signature. Before sending anything out, use Preview to verify the behavior. In Preview, confirm that the sensitive content is hidden initially, then check that it becomes visible only after the signature field is completed for the signer you selected. Once everything looks correct, you are ready to send the document. That covers everything you need to know.